Hi guys, welcome to the Design channel. In this video, let me show you how to make this exercise, and it's also known as CI push plate. Okay, here the technical drawing you can see in this screen, and then let's make a modeling part now. Okay, from the Solidworks interface, let's start sketch from top plane. Click on normal tool, then go to the sketch, click to the toggle and midpoint line. Let's make a guideline and make sure check for construction. Right click, then click select. For the next step, let's make 4 midpoint line, and you can click for this one. Make it a vertical line. Right click, then click select. Let's give a smart dimension and make it for 10 mm. For the next step, let's make 4 midpoint line and make it for construction. Make a vertical. Let's give for smart dimension, and it's used for give a distance to this line, and it is 15 mm. Okay, for the next step, let's define for this length, and it is 35 mm. For the next step, you can click for the circle. Let's define for its radius or diameter, and it is that's information. Its host is 14 mm. Apply. Click to the circle. Press and control button, then click to the circle. Let's make for equal. Apply. For the next step, let's give a midpoint line and make it for construction. Let's make a vertical. Right click, then click select. Click to the circle or this line and click to this line. Make it for equal. Let's make for a new circle. Right click, then click select. Click to the circle and then to the circle and then click to the circle. So make it for equal. So all of the circle has same for this diameter, and then apply. For the next step, let's click for circle and make for a bigger one from this one. Give for diameter, and it is 30. Okay, and then click to this line. You can click to this point and connect to this line. Right click, then click select. Well, for the next step, let's give sketch from this one. Click to this line. Start from this point. Right click and click select. Let's define for its length. From this line, escape for this line, and it is 52 millimeter, and for this one give for 10 millimeter. Okay, and then go to this line, connect to this point, just lengthen to this area, right click, then click select, make sure its distance from this guideline and it is 5 millimeter. So if we mirror and has for new line for its distance as 10 millimeter and then apply. Let's lengthen for this line by click trim entities, extend entities, and then click to this line. Okay, let's define for clock smart dimension, and there's angular from this distance and it is 45 degrees. Apply. For the next step, let's delete for unnecessary line by click trim entities and then trim entities. Make sure time to close is selected and then click to slide. Apply. For the next step, let's connect from this point to this circle. Click this line, start from this point. You can just click to this position, right click, then click right. Press and hold the control button, then click to this line and this circle too. So from the add relation you can click for tangle. And then let's click trim entities. Let's trim to close is selected through this line, so it will cut for its sketch and then apply. For the next step, let's make for a fillet from this corner and its radius make 3 millimeter. Trim to entities to fillet, just click to this point to apply. Okay, let's delete for this unnecessary line from the sketch. Apply, and then let's copy for the sketch to the sides by trim and mirror what from this guideline, and it is to mirror. You can select all the sketch so you can see from this yellow preview will like this, and then apply. Okay, the sketch is done. Let's give for its thickness. From go to feeders and then extrude wash. Let's make for the first one from its base. Let's click for and 12 millimeter from its thickness. Apply. And then expand for this one, click sketch, extrude wash, and then make it for 50 millimeter. Apply. And then let's give fillet from this corner, and it is for and it is for 20 millimeter for its radius. Apply. For the next step, let's give a radius from this surface by click from front plane and make it for normal too, and then right click, then click sketch. Go to this 3-point arc, start from this point and then connect to this point, and then click smart dimension. Let's define for its radius, and it is 122. Okay, click to this surface and then convert entities. Let's click a feeder and then click to extrude cut. From the select contour, click to this, make it for mid plane. Just make sure this value is over from 10 millimeter and then apply. The next step, let's give for holes from this area. Click to this surface and then click to the sketch. Click to the circle. Let's find from this point and connect to this center point and click smart dimension to change for this diameter. And there's information, and its diameter is 11 millimeter. And then feeder, let's extrude cuts. Go to direction 1, change to up to next, apply. Okay, look, click to this extrude cut option and then click a mirror face plane, expand this toggle and then click for front plane and then apply. Look, the part is complete. Let's define for its color, and this command is optional. You can make your own. In this opportunity, and I want to edit appearance. And I want to go to the metal. Let's say I want to make it for steel, and then choose for brush steel and select for, and I want to select for this color and then apply. For some reason I want to make it for this surface color. Press and hold the control button, then click to selected area. Note, this is optional, you can make your own color. and then apply. Ctrl 7 to change for this asymmetric view. Okay guys, as you like for this part, it's finally complete modeling. If you have for problem to make for this sketch modeling, you can write in this comment below. If you have a request, you can email me from my channel Gmail. I hope you can follow for the instruction clearly, and if you like for this channel, you can support this channel by you can wait for some tutorial for on my next video.